Hello there, welcome gentlemen, my name is Boy Waldron and welcome to this aftermarket product review. We're going to be taking a look at Eduard's 1/48 scale, the AGM-65 Maverick. Nice bit of weaponry there to say beef up your A10 or something like that. On the box we kind of get a nice sort of picture of what's in there. It shows two of them and there are two of them in here. They are made out of resin as well, so the details should be pretty good. So let's have a look at the main piece that is on here, which is the main body of our Mavericks just here. Now if you sort of rotate this in the light, hopefully you can see we have recess rivets in there as well as recess panel lines. Hopefully you can just see in there the fins looking pretty nice and crisp as well. We've got a bit of the rear section just here, as you can see, a nice bit of detail just in the back there and on the fins, as well as a couple more recess rivets in there also. This retails at around about £7.50 for the two of them. It is nice how they also add some sort of a pylon on there, if we can just focus, and that has bags of detail all around, as you can see, looking absolutely gorgeous. It was new tooled in 2014, so kind of oldish, but I mean still looks really damn good. You also get some of these different versions. I think you can have it as like a B or an E. We'll look at the instructions in a bit, but you got the two different versions there, as well as we've got some, you know, fairly nicely crystal clear bits just to go on the end of our Mavericks just there. Now you also get some instructions and some decals or decals. We'll have a quick look at these, just getting them out of the bag just here. And so if we just remove the protective sheet, what you should see is, yes, we've got the nice stripes that go on here. We have lots of tiny little writing. I mean, to be honest with you, it's so small. I mean, you have to get out a magnifying glass to try and read it, but I mean, it does look like there's something going on there, so it should look rather snazzy indeed. Definitely better than any sort of stock sort of decals you'd get with a kit as it is anyway. We then have the instructions nicely in colour, showing you a picture of the model itself, and the instructions are very simple, right? I mean, it's going to be, you know, a bit of extra work, shall we say, the normal stock. I mean, we're going to have to, it is resin, we're going to have to like saw cut, do a bit of sanding, right? But there's going to be a lot more detail. And yes, you can do the AGM-65B or the 65E, right? You've also got the different color options, right, for a grey or a sort of an olive drab colour version as well, which is nice that they've got the different decals for that. So you've got a nice couple of extra options. So all in all, it's a well detailed Maverick, right? It is better than any sort of stock that you'd get in a kit. It is going to cost you a bit more, but they are going to look pretty damn gorgeous if you ask me. You do get two as well, which some of you that might be just enough, but some of you, if you're doing like an A10, you might like a load more, so it might get a little bit expensive. But apart from that, I mean, definitely good quality product there and definitely well recommended. So until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.